Everybody, now get ready for a time travel with the same period last year DAX function. Okay, so let me take you directly to the data and help you understand what exactly it is. So for example, you have this kind of data, all right, where you see there is transactional data for each of the day, and now you want to do the analysis by quarter, so you will end up creating a summary something like this. Okay, now what you see over here is, for example, we are seeing the you know first quarter total bill or total sales over here. Right now, what if I want to compare it with the first quarter of last year? So probably I would require to copy this and paste it over here, then I can do a comparative, I can have a comparative view. Same way, if I want to do the analysis for quarter one in 2023 and I want to compare it with the previous year, then again I would require to copy this and put it over here. Then you will be able to do a comparative analysis over here, right? So that's what the condition is, where same period last year comes into the picture to simplify your life. Now let me show you some examples over here directly in the Power BI. So this thing for 2022, what we was just seeing over here, exactly what we have got over here. Now in 2022, you see this was your current year's first quarter total sales, and now just next to that you are getting the quarter one 2021 sales over here. Same for quarter 2, this is from 2021 quarter 2, this is from quarter 22 quarter 3 2022, this is quarter 3 2021, and so on. Other than that, you can also visualize this on bar graph. So if you see over here, this is from the previous year, this is for the current year, considering current year is 2022, right? Current year is 2022. For quarter 1, the total sales was 2,744,000, right? And for the previous year quarter 1, it was 3,042, sorry, somewhere like, I can say 3,042,000, total sales over here. Same way, whatever you see dark blue, that is for the previous year same quarter, and whatever you see in light blue, current year same quarter, and current year is 2022, previous year is 2021. So you see, this makes the work very simple for a comparative analysis. All right, so lot of introduction. Now let's just jump into creating the real example, creating this kind of visuals once again. Okay, so for that, here I already have last year created, but I'm going to create another one for you to understand it well. Okay, so what we need to do is, like I said, to practice all this kind of, how to use all this kind of date time intelligence function, it is very going to be useful if you have a separate table for calendar. Again, if you want to have understanding how to create the calendar, then I will be putting the link of that particular video in the description section. Do not forget to check that out. All right, let's jump to creating the same period last year measure over here. Now I'm going to do last year same period. I'm going to create a measure called last year same period. All right, and over here I would require to use calculate function, because I need to tell what exactly that I want to do for that particular period. So here I want to sum the total bill. Okay, so sales sample total bill, here I have that I want to sum, and like in calculate you can put the filter, so that's where I'm going to use this particular function, and into that I'm going to use this particular date column from calendar table. Okay, now this is done. As soon as it is done, next thing which I will be doing is I will go ahead and create a matrix first of all, right? So here I got the matrix, and into that I'm going to put the date hierarchy. All right, over here, that's what I got. Now the next thing, total bill, this is the current year, you see 2021 this, 2022 this, 2023 this. Now I will do last year same period, this is what I'm going to get into that. Okay, so now let me just arrange this in descending order, sort by year. All right, descending, So here you see 2023, the total sales was somewhere 90 lakh 26,000, and from the previous year, which you see over here, that is already given over here, right? Now if you want to expand it further, here we can do the expansion also. We can, oops, just bear with it, and let's say I want to extend it for the quarters, right? So what you see over here, quarter 1 2023, you see this value, and quarter 1 2022, so you see this value is placed over here. So this is how you can make it. Now let's try to create a slicer also, so that we could put a filter as per the convenience. Okay, and now here I'm going to add the thing, right? And I want to see the data for 2022 only. All right, so you see over here it is showing the data for 2022 only. Now is the time when we should consider creating the bar graph. Okay, now I'm just going to create that. It's a lot of waiting for that. Now let's just create that bar graph. Okay, over here, done. Then the next thing which I require is this, and the next thing, total bill. Here I got that, and then this one. All right, so now what you see over here is, this is dark blue is for last year same period, and this is for current year. So this is for entire 2023, sorry 2022, and this is for entire 2021. Okay, now let's just drill it down a bit. Now here you see, here you got it by quarters. Now in the visuals which I was using for the introduction, into that you might have seen the labels, so that I'm also going to add over here, and here is what you got. Now on that you are seeing it in thousands, so that we can change from here. Here you see over here you will get the display unit, and from here you just need to change it to thousands, and you can do a little bit of formatting as well. You see, this is how you can make the formattings also, change the formattings also. All right, so I just hope that it was very easy for you to understand same period last year. If you want to do it forward, you can do that forward also, backward, etc, etc. All right, now it's going to be, because it says last year, right? So it's going to be backward only, not forward. Sorry for that. All right, so just in case if you get in doubt, put that into the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you out. Until then, happy learning. Wish you very all the best.